The hardest thing is to start in every way. But I thought once we grew up we would need less help. But that's not the case. And we need to know that it's okay.
Oh, hi. I had a phone call, sorry. It took longer than I expected.
Okay.
You have her script, right?
Yes.
You got my email. The server's been terrible.
Yeah, I read it as soon as I got it.
Right. Have a seat, please. So, I read your drafts. They're good. In the first act, really good framework. I'd like to turn your attention to this part right here in the second one, when you introduce this new character, and I'm not entirely sure that it's needed at all, because we already have all the subtext that we need from the trauma, so I was thinking, it's just my phone, I'm sorry. So yeah, anyway, would you like to give it a read? I'd love to hear it. It would be fine, just use your voice.
Okay. We can all speak English, but the hardest part is to say the very first word, and sometimes it's not even a whole word. We can all breathe, but we struggle to take the first gasp. We are held tightly until we're told by our own bodies.
Sorry, I should have silenced it. Please go on.
We can even learn to swim, but sometimes we need to be pushed by someone so eager to see us succeed. I thought at once...
Wait a minute. Yeah, it was there. You missed 2 H's in thought.
Oh.
Wow. I would have never thought.
Yeah, I was tired,
Anyway.
I think.
Yeah, I think over here... Sorry, so popular. Carry on. Yeah, you wanna... Exactly
Yeah.
what I was gonna say. I think you should think about when... I really need to take this, okay? Could you just wait outside for a sec? Please? Oh, no, it's all good. Could you shut the door, please? Yeah. Hey, no. It's just a student. She's one of the best, I have to tell you, and no, not at all. No, I'm sorry. I said I was sorry, okay? You know, I keep thinking that it's just me, but I feel like... No, listen. No, she's coming in, and I can explain later, but she'll only be, reading her script, and I give her feedback. It's nothing more than that. You don't need to ask me this. I've told you before. She, not bad, not good, but she's okay, alright? No, listen, I'm not trying to tell you that you're not, okay? I'm just trying to make you understand that this is not really that out of line. No, I don't mean it like that. Yes, I will. I will come home, and then you can tell me all about it. I would love to hear, really, but... Yes, I am trying. What do you mean I'm not trying? No, I do have time. I don't have time for that, okay? It's you and...
Sir, is everything okay?
Yes, I am. Just an argument with an electrician who's fixing the electricity,
It didn't sound like an electrician.
I know.
And what about the scratches and bruises?
I'm clumsy, and I have a rivalry with my cabinets.
But I thought once we grew up we would need less help. But that's not the case. And we need to know that it's okay. But I suppose we're all like that, sir. Sir? Are you okay? I'm sorry I freaked out about...
How did you, like, know?
Just being around you, I just kind of saw stuff. You did always say I was observant. I also heard a lot of conversations. I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry. I appreciate it.
I didn't really help that much, but I'm glad you made the call on your own. Your decision. Who is it?
It's just my old uni roommate. He agreed to pick me up.
Oh, nice. That's... Shall I leave?
Yeah, if that's okay. I'll just go to the bathroom.
We can feel safe. We can help one another because reaching out to someone allows them to help themselves when they think they can't. Because, after all, how very little can be done under the spirit of fear.
Well done, Mary.